Yes, Ja. Yes, Ja. Yeah. Some rain in the place. Yes, Ja. Yeah, man, as me done plant the veggies them, you know? Yes, I. Roots family. Great rise. Yeah, man, welcome back to the Herbalawes channel here on YouTube, where we grow, traps for tea, and we also grow vegetables. Yeah. Well, in the Herbalawes garden, we start growing back some vegetables, you know, which is not only callaloo this time, yeah, but we do some kale, some pakchoi, and we even plant some sweet basil. Yeah, so this is what our garden look like. Yeah, some kale, some pakchoi, some callaloo, and this is after planting the seedlings for a couple of hours. We even drop some marigold plant over there. Yeah, it's a blessing. Yeah, man, it's a great blessings. So, great rise, you know. I add some flower plant to my dragon blood pots, you know. So I'm going to move them back outside. Yeah, man. Move them back outside. Put them back in their spaces. So this is how it looks, you know, beautiful. My red amaranths seeding up, so I can actually have, you know, seed to replant, you know. Never buy any seedlings from this time around, but I'm just gonna allow these to seed up so that I can replant them. Yeah, man. Yeah. Peppers coming up. Disgusting. So style them sick, yes, sir. Look on the fit, yes, sir. So over here I also put in some vegetables over here. Some pakchoi, a few dill plants, yeah, a few kale plants, yeah. So herbal they are go on with the thing, you know. Yeah, man, herbal they are go on with himself. Yeah. In about one episodes ahead, yeah, the episode before the last one, we talk about ram goat dasha lamb, and we talk about how it got its name, you know. Back in the days, you know, people said that, you know, they swear it's reality that when the goat eat this plant, yeah, man, the goat dash along. So the plant got the name ram goat dash along. Yeah, run up and down with a whole heap of energy, you know. And I also, you know, this plant used to be called ganja plant because the leaves or the leaf blade look similar. Now the difference with the ganja plant is that when this plant get a little bigger is the flower, the beautiful yellow flower, in the center of it. Yeah. So ram goat dash along. Yeah, make the man them dash along, you know, with whole heap of energy. Stula. So this is what I've been up to in the last episode if you don't get to watch it yet. Yeah. Putting in back some vegetables. Yeah. Yeah man, so this is the exact plant. Yeah, so when it get a little bigger, you will see the bloom coming up, you know, in a seed shape. And then when it open, it's this beautiful, you know, shape flower. And this is a grown ram goat dash along plant. But as I said, the birds them drop the seed all over the place. So I have plants all over the place. Roots family, the mosquito them out. Watch him. Trust me. And especially because me in a black, it attract the mosquitoes. Why you a jump on me, sir? Eh? Watch yourself. So roots family, this plant here, maybe you identify it already. This plant is called pomegranate. Yeah, so this is the fruit itself. And this fruit is, you know, packed with a lot of vitamin C. Yeah. And this is actually the bloom. Yeah. Before this. Yeah. Sight. Oh. Wow. This camera have a focus enhancer. Yeah. So whenever time the camera go up close, whenever time the camera go up close, let me see. The focus enhancer come up. Take a picture. Roots family. Yeah man, try as best as possible to add some leafy greens to your diet. Yeah man, fruits and all them stuff. Yeah. Yeah, the vitamin A, C and K is necessary for the body, you know? Yeah. Roots family. Every culture of its power food. And in Jamaica, yeah, Callaloo Kale Pakchoi. Yeah, the Trinity of greens. Yeah. But kale maybe not as much as how we would use pak choy and callaloo in Jamaica. Yeah, and as I said, every culture have their power. Yeah, food source. Now, kale in Kenya, I think in Kenya they call kale skuma wiki. And if you walk around, yeah, 90 or 99% of Kenyans' home, they plant this vegetable. Yeah? So I would say most Jamaican would plant callaloo and pak choy. Mostly callaloo. Yeah, and in Kenya, skuma wiki, yeah, it's planting maybe 99% of homes. Yeah, and this vegetable, they eat it almost 3-4 times a week, if not every day. Especially the people who can't afford other things. Likewise, Jamaican family may eat callaloo maybe 2-3 times a week. But the 3 leafy vegetables, yeah, are power food source for us. In Jamaica here, the callaloo, the kale, yeah, and the pak choy. Now, these leafy vegetables carry the vitamin A, C, and K, which are very important. Yeah, just as the vitamin K, you know, which help to strengthen the bone, you know. Yeah, the mineral, the fiber, you know, the fiber help with heart health, you know. So these 3 vegetables in your diet is essential. And these 3 vegetables that represent Trinity, yeah, help to keep the body, mind and soul in balance, you know. Yeah man, callaloo give us iron and fiber for strong blood and easy digestion. Yeah man. The kale on the other hand bring antioxidant, fire, calcium and vitamin K for the bones and cells. Pak choy cool the system, light but rich in vitamin C and minerals. So together there are 3 different leaves. Yeah? They carry 3 different strength. Yeah? Heavy, light. So it's heavy, light, and healing, you know. So 3 different leaves. Yeah. 3 different strength, you know. But 3 of them become a balance. Yeah. Heavy, light, healing strength, you know. Roots family. Yeah, get the veggies in your diet. Yeah man. Help with bone health, heart health, you know. Help with your mineral, your fiber, you know, your vitamin A, C, K. Yeah, all of them are essential in your diet. Yeah man. And the kale, Yeah, it is using a nice powerful green juice. You know, the three of them can use. Yeah, and even though there are three different leaves, yeah, light, heavy, healing. Yeah, Herbalawes. See you in another video. Yes, Ja. Yes, Ja. Yeah. Some rain in the place. Yes, Ja. Yeah, man, as me done plant the veggies them, you know? Yes, I. Yes, Ja.